Providing great customer service as an Uber Eats driver can seriously boost your ratings, tips, and even your chances of earning more consistent deliveries. It all starts with communication. If there's any delay at the restaurant or trouble finding the drop off location, send a quick message through the app. It's simple. Hey, your order's on the way, just waiting on your food, or should it be a few minutes, can go a long way, like really in the long term. Now, next, make sure that your order is accurate and complete before you leave the restaurant. Double check the drinks, utensils, or sauces are included if they were requested. Because oftentimes, customers, what happen is if they don't find sauce, they can really just give you negative reviews on your Uber profile, which is really bad for you. So this shows customers you care. It also helps prevent bad reviews due to missing items, even if it's not your fault. Handle the food with care. Keep it upright and avoid spills, and use a hot bag if you have one. The goal is to make sure the food arrives looking and feeling fresh. Customers notice the kind of effort and they remember it when it's time to tip. Be respectful, quick, and polite at the door. So that's the biggest three steps that you gotta follow when you deliver the order. A simple smile or wave adds a personal touch that sets you apart. If it's a leave at door delivery, make sure to place it neatly and send a clear photo. Little things like placing it away from the rain or not blocking the door can matter more than you think. And finally, don't forget to rate your customer too. The app learns from your experiences and can avoid pairing you with problematic deliveries down the line. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below with your own customer service hacks. Let's help each other win out here.